So over here, you can see that I have a database, and if I were to go around over here in enrollment date, I can go around and choose a date and then add the data right there. But let's say I do not want anyone to enter out a value that is before 1991. So I want the earliest date to be 1991 Jan 1. So to validate out the data like that, first of all, I need to right click over here onto the table and then go to design view. So once I do that, over here you can see enrollment date is an option. So if I were to go around over here on the enrollment date, you can see that this is what you have. So here under the validation rule, I'm going to go around and click. So once I do that, you can see that this is what you have. So I'm going to validate out the data. So in order to validate out the data, I'm going to press greater or equal to, because that is how I want to validate the date out. So I'm going to say greater or equal to. So I'm going to type in date right here. So date value. And I'm going to enter the date value right here. So date value is going to be within the double inverted comma right here. So I'm going to say 1/1 and 1991, stating that this is Jan 1, 1991. So the date value here should be greater or equal to 1/1/1991, and I'm going to press OK. So the data value is there, and here in the validation text, I'm going to type in please enter date which is within or after 1991. So I'm just going to go around and type that, and there you go, that's it. So now if I were to right click and go to the dataset view, I can save out everything right here. Now once I go around and choose any date, there is no problem. But if I were to go around right here and type in 1990 and press enter, then what it says is please enter date which is within or after 1991, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with data validation for dates inside of MS Access database. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.